In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to guide your customers with Google by setting up payment links using Stripe. This is an essential tool for anyone looking to streamline their online payment processes, making it easier for customers to pay you with just a few clicks. Whether you're running a small business or managing a larger e-commerce site, integrating efficient payment methods is key to enhancing customer experience and ensuring smooth transactions. Now let's walk through the process step by step. To begin, you'll want to go ahead and navigate to Stripe. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to sign up and enter your business details. Stripe is a widely used payments platform that helps businesses handle transactions securely, so you can rest assured that your transactions will be safe and efficient. Once you've logged in or signed up, look for the Payment Links option on your dashboard. It's usually located in the menu on the side. Click on Payment Links, and then you'll see the option to Create Payment Link. This feature is incredibly handy because it allows you to generate a unique link to share with customers. This way they can easily pay you without the need to integrate complex payment systems or coding. After creating your payment link, you have 3 straightforward choices on how to use it. The first choice is to simply copy the URL provided. You can share this link directly with clients via email, chat, or any other communication method that suits you best. By just clicking on the link, your customers will be directed to a secure payment page where they can enter their payment details and complete their purchase. Alternatively, if you have a website, you might want to consider embedding a buy button. This option allows customers to pay directly through your website, providing a seamless user experience. Stripe offers detailed guidelines on how to integrate this button, so you don't have to worry about technical hurdles. It's a great way to make purchasing effortless for your website visitors. Finally, the third choice is downloading the QR code. This is a particularly useful option for physical stores, events, or market stalls. Customers can simply scan the QR code with their phones and be taken to the payment page. It's a quick and contactless way to accept payments, which is increasingly popular in today's fast-paced environment. Once you've chosen how to utilize your payment link, you're done. It's a quick setup, but one that can significantly enhance your payment process. Whether your customers prefer URLs, buy buttons, or QR codes, you've covered all bases. Remember, providing various payment options not only caters to different customer preferences, but can also improve your sales efficiency and customer satisfaction. That's it for today's tutorial. I hope you found this guide helpful for setting up your Stripe payment links and look forward to any questions you might have in the comments section below. Thank you for watching and see you next time.